Welcome to What Web Tools to Create Online Courses With. I'm super excited that you're here, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys because I wish 1, 2, 5, 10 years ago that I had something so simple and so easy to follow. So here I'm going to break down insight into creating an online course using Wix and or WordPress to start, and then scaling smart using Kajabi, which is what I use and I've used now for over a year and a half, and or Teachable. So let's get into the behind the scenes.
Guys, creating courses off of your phone to start, and so much more. And into
Welcome to how to create and launch an online course in a week or less with me, Katrina Julia. So I'm a lifestyle entrepreneur and a transformation coach, and I help people simplify health, wealth, and business all in one. So over 4 years ago, I lost over 55 pounds. Yes, 55 pounds with the help of Herbalife Nutrition, the #1 global nutritional brand, with the help of 6-pack meal bags, with the help of Plate Joy, and several other tools that I integrate to set people up for success. I'm also a CPA, meaning certified public accountant, and consistently made other industries 7 to 9 figure results year over year, you guys. The last year I left corporate, I ended up with a team, with business units, directing initiatives to help generate over $10 million in results. Not typical, what's possible. The same value creation model that I use to help businesses look at every single segment of their business from the inception all the way to through revenue, I started to apply to my own business. Simplicity, 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 setting up people for success with tips, tools, and tech. So I took that experience of over 8 industries to apply it to Fit Life Creation, an all-in-one lifestyle brand with health, money, and business. Think Amazon meets Airbnb or transformation with an influencer marketing and a fundraising twist. So I'm sharing from that vein how to create an online course and launch it in a week or less with the exact tips and tools and tech that you need to create it in a week or less. So stay tuned because it's just getting good.